Volume Edit can be used to quickly remove 3D regions close to your volume of interest. For example, this Rubik's Cube is supported by a piece of foam that we want to exclude from any further analysis. In the CT scan, the unwanted region becomes more visible when we extend the lower range of the color map. Within the module browser, Volume Edit is found within the Volume Operations subfolder of the Compute folder. This module allows you to select from several available tools. In this case, we will remove what is outside of a cube, so we will select the Transformer Manipulator. It can be useful to adjust the camera to aid your work. In Interact mode, you can interact with the chosen manipulator. Here, the box-shaped region is rotated to match the cube. You can change the manipulator type for more control. Once you've finished selecting an area, choose to remove what is inside or outside of this region. You can optionally choose a padding value or fill value. In this case, we cut what is outside of the region. Clicking the respective button creates a new dataset. By updating your display modules, you can see the outcome of your volume edit. It is possible to undo and redo actions as long as you do not delete the volume edit module. A common way to use volume edit is to remove cylindrical sample holders, such as for the CT scan of a rock core. In 3D or in 2D, you can see a plastic tube that supported the sample in the CT scanner. After creating a volume edit module, you can adjust the manipulator, and in the second drop-down menu, you may select a cylinder. This sample is aligned to the Z-axis, so this setting is also changed. A wireframe guide shows the area of action. Adjust it in a way that fits your sample, and then select Cut Inside or Cut Outside to create a new dataset. After updating the display modules, you can see that the tube was removed from the result. For more complex edits, it is possible to draw a region of interest. For example, in the CT scan of a battery cell, there is included a portion of an adjacent sample that should be omitted. It can be useful to adjust the camera before doing the next step. To draw a selection, first click the Cut Inside or Cut Outside button in Volume Edit. Your cursor will change. Left-click and drag a line around your region to remove or keep it depending on the button you click. You can do this multiple times.